Everyone hides behind his own language. If anyone wants to understand, let him speak. People don't deceive us. We eat our faith, our credibility, our trust, and above all, our expectations. We are deceived. Man is not so tired of work and labor as the behavior of people. How interesting is that moment when people are lying in front of you and you come to know the truth. The world is meant by bitter truths, not sarcastic lies. Always keep trying in life, because those who try never lose and quitters never win. Many people in life give up when they are close to their destination. Beware of such a mischievous person who sits next to someone and pretends to be good. If you are right, then there is no need to prove anything. Time itself will testify that you are right. No one is saved by deception. A sigh destroys generations. People are not psychological. They are broken so much that they open their feelings, do not believe, turn away, do not take interest. Treat people not according to their character, but according to your training. Listen quietly to what is said against you and give time to respond. For those who want to make all decisions right, the hardest thing to do is to decide. Those who do not covet you at all meet not by price but by luck. A young girl has eyes in her heel as she walks, so she knows who is looking behind her. If we don't make mistakes, how will we know who is waiting for us to fall? If the character is good, people will reach there by asking the way to the grave. Happiness should be in destiny, so everyone looks happy in the picture. A mirror is the only companion who laughs when you laugh and cries when you cry. A woman or a man who marries after seeing wealth or fame will never be faithful. One should avoid talking to a person who does not have the strength to hear the truth, because he will make everything you say wrong and blame you for his mistakes and shortcomings and make excuses. In youth, a man likes every woman, and a woman thinks that every man's love is true, and a man thinks that just looking at a woman is the end of love for a woman. This age is so emotional, and we call this emotionality as love and admit love, and with the passage of time the nature comes out. A person who is sincere only to himself and thinks only of himself does not care how much pain and suffering his actions cause to those around him. When you do not take sides in times of injustice, it means that you are siding with the oppressor. Good women bless the good sustenance, and bad women also spoil the treasures. A careless person is always neglectful of his duties, but stands several steps ahead in the matter of rights. The ignorant neither understands his own weakness nor the words of the enlightener. Deception has a great soul. It never dies, wanders around, and returns one day because it loves its abode so much. And some people really spend their whole lives waiting for someone, like the poor for money and the rich for comfort. If there is no humility in the personality, the increase in information does not give rise to knowledge but to arrogance. In moments of weakness, the one who speaks two words of comfort is very close to the heart. Poverty makes a person such a stranger in his own city that people refuse to recognize him. Good times have a flaw that ends quickly, and bad times have a goodness that they don't last forever. Man chooses himself among the stones of desires and then makes a nose when the breath stops. A person should try only once, then what is his color is his color. After that, you are deceiving yourself, not you. Many people get scared if they see their characters with their faces in the mirror. It is not necessary to be like each other. It is necessary to be for each other. As the number of enemies increases, you should increase the number of your friends and relatives, so that when the time of battle approaches, friends and relatives will be with you. In the battle of stubbornness, distance often wins. Never love life, it betrays no one. Never forget death, it betrays no one. The most painful thing in life is to constantly wait for someone careless. When the children start giving food, most of the parents keep silent for fear that they will stop giving food. Be as attached to a person as you can bear the pain of separation or hatred. This life is very beautiful if there is no hypocrite walking along. Don't take things to heart. Your mental health is more important than what people think. It is enough for the transgressors to be gifted with silence. The strongest relationships are those where flaws are not counted but hidden. If you know the way, the misguided person is your responsibility. Half of the misery in life comes from having hope in the wrong people, and the other half comes from doubting people. Don't tempt anyone because needs, weaknesses, and compulsions prevail. No one is an angel.